Yeah, peeps, I don't know. Another day, another video. The rain kind of ease up here now, so. Baby, I want to do the intro? Come, do the intro. Where else are two people?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and what that on the tree there?
Breastfoot.
Oh. So where you want the camera for?
Come on.
Anyways, so I say stay tuned. Alright, peeps, so I go breadfruit and ackee, you see me? I pick breadfruit, make them go and drain it, see it? I don't know who make this sticky or roll me feel dizzy. Here, my son, stay up to the side.
Give me that now.
Mm.
Oh, yeah, come. That's what I'm moving.
Why? Hey, no skin up yourself. But I'm rotted. So everything around come to me. Oh God. Breadfruit they up there no still me now, right? That is it. Yo, on the door, come here, say no.
Back up.
Hey, move right here, son. See that? Yeah, but I wish that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shana, do you want breadfruit? Yeah, do you want breadfruit? Yeah? What? Yeah, my bigger fruit. Yeah, Mickey. Record. Make sure you catch me something. And the leaf thing. Yo, I said don't come. Hey, Pitney. Go back, sir. Shake up, you know. Yeah, always best to catch them peeps. You see me? Yeah. So nice size roasting breadfruit. Them are big. Just one of these things still. Go on your bus. Go for yours, them put us up. And then drop it here. Boop. You're on a long breadfruit, you know. Bready. I tell you my road. My corona pop, but you're busy and things still, so I understand. Enough more in a tree. Enough. You can't see still, but watch out. They can count at least 10 more right now, me see. So, I want to boost too. How we do? Fried breadfruit. You see it, fried breadfruit and roast breadfruit and then left breadfruit for fry. I just not have to go on. You see me? Wow. I look so happy now because I have enough breadfruit. You know, enough left in our tree now. They come like me even pick none yet. Peeps, if you don't want breadfruit, you see me? Just link up. Link up. They may have about $500 more. Two of them big. For my sister, but guess what? Rain spoil no for I hockey them, yo. You see me? You can see them rotten inside. That I think. No for I hockey them spoil, Lord. Because I rain all this. Sometimes when I open them so and they look alright, then spoil. Look there. See peeps. I don't know if you can see them there, but rain right now, all I think them here. I put hook for anything. That is it. So peeps, I go in the one I know because I don't have no energy, you see me. My energy feel I don't know. I see it so for nothing until them time there, see me I say. Yeah. Now I'll pick it up. Alright. Start. Alright. Yeah man. Come. Alright. Alright.
Yes, cousin.
What, the party? Okay, okay.
The bumpy light.
Yes, yes. Come. Whoa. Alright, they went there high. Alright. Oh, may I pick, man. Yeah? Yeah, come pick. Adam Ikinium. Okay. Wait. Pick him. Gila. You ready? Caribou come close. Oh. That no good. Go on the big one there. Okay. Oi.
Yeah, don't drop though.
No.
Yeah?
That not drop.
Yeah?
Who tell her that?
Life is a pond, and you've spent your entire life leaping from woman to woman as if they are lily pads upon this great pond. Just learn to swim.
That actually made sense.
Yes, it made sense.
No, I mean, that's sort of an analogy.
Yes, me I tell her say bad. Put no bother peel and breadfruit, you see me? Right now 4 more there on the bonfire.
Yesterday,
There's it pray.
shaped like a fish. Even my butt